Back in the van cave, there was some question about top of dead center and how the pulley's positioned and where the timing mark is. I've hand fit the fan shroud and fan and timing scale back in. Um, the builder supplied the engine, and I obsessed about it being at top of dead center and checked that at several stages during the assembly, and so I'm pretty confident that's where it's at. Putting these parts together, the blue paint dots which a previous owner had applied are lining up with the scale at 0. I admit I did have to turn the crankshaft slightly to get it there. It was a couple degrees off. Um, but I don't know if you can see it. I hope you can. On the back rim, it's actually the forward rim if you're facing the engine from this angle. uh, the rim farthest from the camera, you can see that it's got a little dimple in it. And turn on the light. That dimple is the timing mark on the fan pulley. Okay, through the magic of digital video, I've taken the fan out, and so you can see the plate on the back. This index point here corresponds to this slot on the inside of the fan. Not sure exactly what the slot is for, but nevertheless it does align with that. You can see that, well, this plate is keyed on the crankshaft, so the timing should be pretty exact based on just the mechanics of the engine. But that's the position of the bolt holes on that plate, and how they align with the case division may be interesting. The other thing is that I noticed on the flywheel through this hole there is a drilled out portion. I don't know if that's just to balance the flywheel, or if somebody actually had in mind to make something to show position of the flywheel. I noticed on the old engine and flywheel it also had an indentation right there when the when number one cylinder was at top of dead center. And then finally, looking back at the fan, you can see the relation of the painted dot to this guy, and turning it up, you can see the minute notch in the farthest rim of the pulley where the alternator belt goes. And I don't know if there's a better way of determining where that mark should be. If the rim on yours is actually missing that dimple, but you can see the relationship of it to the fan blades inside, and perhaps counting. There's a way to approximate it. You can see that there's a very big supporting piece for the fan, and that's bolted to the pulley, so that should be consistent in that position. And then the timing mark is 1, 2 fan blades off of that, and I'll get a ruler and line it up so we can see relative to where it is. Okay, I've placed a ruler over the timing marks on mine, and this is pretty much where it falls on the bladed portion of the fan in relation to that thick part. And again, this is all going off of this index part up to here. Hope that helps.